Tulisan Suara.
Laughing to tears, bursting to tears, that is how love's supposed to do. Don't you worry, just be happy, cause God will always be with you. And one day you'll say it is okay to be sad sometimes. Just remember, after a rain there's rainbow. Woke up in the morning feeling empty, like a colorless sky, like a tasteless apple. Oh yeah, if we could just see the world with the eyes of a bee, we'll see a new meaning to love. Every day I pray that you belong to me until the day of hereafter. Laughing to tears, bursting to tears, that is how love's supposed to do. Don't you worry, just be happy, cause God will always be with you. And one day you will say it is okay to be sad sometime. Just remember, after a rain there's a moon. In the morning I came to you just to say I love you. Oh yeah, and I hope you said it back. And I realized some dream will never be true. I guess that is part of life, and it hurts a lot, but I will be stronger and happy ever after. Laughing to tears, bursting to tears, that is how love's supposed to do. Don't you worry, just be happy, cause God will always be with you. And one day you'll say it is okay to be sad sometime. Just remember, after a rain there's rainbow. Turn around and close your eyes, and all sadness will go away, I promise you. And the world is harsh, but remember he's not to you. Laughing to tears, bursting to tears, that is how love's supposed to do. Don't you worry, just be happy, cause God will always be with you. One day you will say it is okay to be sad sometime. Just remember, after a rain bursting to tears, laughing to tears. Okay, I think I'm happier now, but I realize I will be near the end of my time, and I will